Hi, I'm Ashwin Yardi, CEO of Capgemini. So 5G brings a path-breaking technology to the new world. With its power of connectivity, it will radically change how businesses operate, retail customers or governments, and how city operations work. It will impact the business models, and the good part is it will also create a new technology ecosystem which will really bring us a new future. So 5G has already been in operations in some of the advanced markets in Europe and Americas, and we have been working with several clients to deploy it. In fact, I see it coming to India very soon, and we have been working with Airtel very closely to deploy some of the prototypes in the healthcare industry, where tele-ultrasound will help us really take healthcare to the villages. What we see in retail, where the customers can really experience the power of 5G augmented reality and experience the retail showroom experience. We see a lot of other opportunities in manufacturing, in very sensitive security industries like mining. 5G in combination with Internet of Things, in combination with edge computing, and enabled by artificial intelligence or augmented reality is really going to create a new business paradigm. It will impact in a big way how business-to-business interactions are done. It will impact in a big way how business to customer interactions are done. So I see a very bright future with 5G, and we are very happy that we are working with partners like Airtel to build, design, prototype some of the services to leverage the power of 5G.